Hi, this is Kevin from Kevin's Kitchen. Today I'm here at Meat Noodles here in Hong Kong. I'll be showing you how to make a crab cake recipe that I've done about 10 years ago, and I haven't cooked that since, but my family has been asking for it, so I'm gonna try to recreate it today. So follow me and let's get started. Let's go. In this recipe, I'm gonna use lump crab meat and also just shredded crab meat just to give it a little bit of texture. So here I'm using jicama. You can use any vegetable that you prefer to give it kind of a crunch. You could even try celery. And as for herbs, I'm using cilantro, also scallion and shallots. So you can actually feel free to use different herbs if you prefer. But in this case, I just like these flavors. So the sambal balachan just gives it a little bit of a spiciness to it. You feel free to omit it, or you can use mustard if you don't have any substitution. And the fish sauce just gives it a little bit more that kind of seafood taste. So first we're gonna add in all the wet ingredients. So you can actually just combine the eggs, mayonnaise. So once you have it mixed, you can actually just pour in the rest of the ingredients and just be a little bit more gentle while you're mixing it, so you're not compressing some of the panko. So you can see now I'm actually trying to test the consistency of the crab cake, and it was a little bit loose, so I added an extra egg just so that it will bind better together. So you can actually add the 2 eggs in the beginning rather than me where I had 1. So I'm using about ½ cup of the crab cake mixture to make each crab cake. And then you just want to form it gently. Don't press down on it too much so that it won't break apart. So just before pan searing these, I actually just use salt and pepper just to season it on the outside. So you want to just create a crust on the outside so that you have a crunchy exterior and then a soft and airy inside. So once you're done searing it, you can actually just put on some paper towel just to kind of absorb some of the oil from the crab cakes. So I've topped the crab cakes with a sambal balachan mayonnaise. It was actually just 2 parts mayonnaise to 1 part sambal balachan. So I've also topped it with some tobiko just to give it a little bit of a crunch to the crab cakes, and then also just a piece of calamansi on the side just to kind of give it some acidity. So this is how you make my crab cake recipe. It's not your traditional Maryland crab cake, but it's my reinterpretation of it. If you like this video, please hit that like button below and also subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned for future videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment field below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!